Hello everyone. Today in the third part of chapter 2 we are going to read about longitude. The imaginary semicircular lines joining the North Pole and the South Pole are called lines of longitudes or meridian of longitudes. See here all of you. The imaginary semicircular line which joins the North Pole and South Pole. The lines which join the North Pole and the South Pole. Understood? This pole and this pole. These lines are called the lines of longitudes. The lines which passes through Greenwich near London is called the prime meridian. The line which passes through Greenwich near London is called the prime meridian. This line is very important. Through this line we can measure the distance. This line is called prime meridian and it shows 0 degree. It is line of 0 degree longitude from which east-west direction is measured. From here, understood? From this line is measured 0 degree and this is called east part and called west. The measure of eastern direction and western direction we can calculate through the 0 degree prime meridian. This line is also called this 0 degree prime meridian is also called the international date line. For the sake of convenience, 180 lines of longitudes are taken at a distance of 1 degree each to the east of prime meridian and also 180 lines to the west of the prime meridian. Thus, there are 360 lines of longitude in all. That means here in east direction 180 lines and west direction 180 lines. Here 180 and here 180. Total lines of longitudes are 360. मतलब कि अगर हम प्राइम मेरिडियन को हम अगर 0 डिग्री माने तो इसके ईस्टर्न पार्ट में ठीक ईस्ट की तरफ 180 लाइन्स है और इसके वेस्ट की तरफ 180 लाइन्स है और टोटल लाइन्स कितनी बन जाती है 360. ये 360 लाइन्स क्या है? दिस लाइन्स आर कॉल्ड लॉन्गिट्यूड्स एंड हाउ मेनी लैटिट्यूड्स? लैटिट्यूड्स आर 181. ओके 181 लैटिट्यूड्स and 360 longitudes. The part to the east of the prime meridian is called the eastern hemisphere. This is called prime meridian. Understood? So this from this part is called eastern part is called eastern hemisphere and western part is called western hemisphere. The longitudes do not run parallel to each other but meet at the two poles. These longitudes lines are not parallel. It meet at the point. That means on the north pole and south pole. On the north pole and the south pole, these lines are meet ईच अदर. ये क्या है? नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल पे एक दूसरे से मिल जाती है. दैट मीन्स 0 डिग्री पे यह क्या है? लॉन्गिट्यूड जो लाइन हुए वह एक दूसरे से मिली होती है. दिस लाइन्स आर नॉट पैरेलल. लैटिट्यूड्स आर पैरेलल लाइन. लैटिट्यूड्स आर दिस लाइन्स आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर बट लॉन्गिट्यूड्स आर लाइन्स आर नॉट पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. The lines of latitudes are farthest apart at the equator, but their gap gradually decreases when we move towards the pole. This on the equator, on this line is called equator. Equator on the equator. Equator पे क्या है? इस लाइन का जो डिस्टेंस है, लाइन का जो डिस्टेंस है वो सबसे ज़्यादा होता है इक्वेटर पर. Now locating a place. To locate a particular place, we have to specify whether we are taking of the latitude north or south, and also whether we mean the longitude east or west. That means for knowing a particular place we have to specify, हमें स्पेसिफाई करना होगा वहाँ के लैटिट्यूड्स कितने डिग्री लैटिट्यूड्स पे है, कितने डिग्री कहाँ पे कितने डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड्स पे हैं. Latitudes and longitude intersect each other and the earth grid is formed. It intersect that means क्या है, latitudes and longitudes एक दूसरे को एक प्लेस पे काटती है, this and they form the grid, एक ग्रिड का निर्माण करती है. If we know the grid of any place, if we know the grid of any place, we can locate the place easily. If we know the grid then we can locate the place. अगर हमें किसी भी प्लेस का अगर लैटिट्यूड और लॉन्गिट्यूड पता है तो हम इजीली वो प्लेस कहाँ पे लोकेट है हम उस चीज़ को फाइंड कर सकते हैं. Now in this chapter all of you read about what are called latitude, this line, the lines in short all of you. Now see here, the line which go from east direction to west direction on the globe are called latitudes. This line is called the equator, and equator divides our globe on the two part, or our earth on the two parts. Okay, and the lines which join the north pole and the south pole is called the longitudes. How many total latitudes? There are 181 total latitudes and 360 longitudes. If we know the latitudes and longitudes of a place, then we can easily find where the place is located, and through lines of longitude we can find the time also. Time of a place we can find easily through the lines of longitude. So this line is called, that means the line of prime meridian. The line of prime meridian is also called the international date line. इसी से हम हमेशा लिखते हैं डेट, जब भी लिखते AM and PM. AM that means anti meridian, PM means post मेरिडियन. ये AM और PM ये इसी से इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन और प्राइम मेरिडियन से ही ये डिसाइड होता है. अगर हम ईस्ट की तरफ जाते हैं दैट मीन्स व्हेन वी गो टू द ईस्टर्न पार्ट, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, यहाँ पे टाइम जो होता है वो डिक्रीज़ होता है और इस तरफ टाइम जो होता है वो इंक्रीज़ हो जाता है. इसी से पूरे वर्ल्ड का डेट और टाइम डिसाइड होता है. Now this chapter is over. I hope all of you understood it.